Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super common problem that can turn your night drives into a hassle: flickering headlights. With 2025 models featuring more advanced lighting systems, this issue might pop up more often, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through a simple fix that you can do at home. First off, why do headlights flicker? It could be due to loose wiring, a faulty bulb, a weak battery, or even issues with the alternator. Understanding the cause is key to getting it right. Before we jump in, gather these tools: a multimeter, screwdrivers, electrical tape, and maybe some wire connectors. Safety first. Always work in a well-lit area, wear gloves, and disconnect the battery to avoid any shocks. Let's get to the steps. Step 1. Inspect the bulbs. Pop the hood and check if the bulbs are securely seated. If they're loose, tighten them gently. If a bulb looks burnt out, replace it with a new one matched to your car's specifications. Step 2. Examine the wiring. Look for any frayed or corroded wires connected to the headlights. Use your multimeter to test for continuity. If you find damage, strip the wires, reconnect them properly, and secure with electrical tape. Step 3. Check the battery and alternator. Test the battery voltage with your multimeter. It should be around 12 to 14 volts when the engine's running. If it's low, charge or replace the battery. For the alternator, if the voltage drops significantly, you might need a professional check. Finally, after making these fixes, test your headlights by turning them on and taking a short drive. If the flickering persists, it could be a deeper electrical issue, so consult a mechanic. There you have it. A straightforward way to banish those flickering lights and drive safely. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.